What's going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. And in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new 2020 iPad Pro. As always, my full and in-depth review along with a camera and benchmarking tests will be uploaded very soon. So if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when I upload those videos. So without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So the first thing that I want to get into talking about is the pricing and availability of this iPad Pro. Now here in the United Kingdom, it will set you back around £770 for the 11-inch model and around £200 more for the 12.9-inch. That pricing structure is almost identical if you are in the United States, coming in at $799 or $999. Whereas if you are based anywhere else in Europe, the 11-inch model starts off at €899, whereas the 12.9-inch starts off at $1,119. It is also worth mentioning that as opposed to 64GB which we had on the previous model, the new iPad Pros start off at 128GB. You will also find that the other structures in terms of storage remain the same, with either a 256GB model, a 512GB or a 1TB model. And as we've had from the very first iPad back in 2010, you can also purchase this iPad Pro in either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular. Now popping open the box, we get our first look at what comes included, and on top you will notice the iPad Pro in typical Apple fashion. And taking the device out the box and placing it to a side, we get our first look at what comes included. Now the first thing is your Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. Now within this you will find a quick start guide which will give you a quick overview on the buttons and their placements, along with how to quickly set up the iPad. This is then followed up by some health and safety information along with details on your 1-year Apple limited warranty. And as always, you get your plain 2 white Apple stickers. Further inspection of the box will reveal an 18-watt Usbc power adapter. Now this power adapter has a foldable design, which means it's easier for traveling and it's also safer, so no one will actually stand on it. This charger should also charge this iPad Pro in approximately just over 2 hours. You also get your Apple Usbc to Usbc cable. Now this cable has an approximate length of around 1 meter. So there you have it. That is everything that you get with the new 2020 iPad Pro. If you've got any questions with anything you've seen in this video, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in the description. And while you're down there, I will also leave affiliated links so that when you purchase this iPad Pro, at least the channel gets a little kickback. If you have enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the thumbs up, and if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when I upload any new videos. Once again, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.